god. Oh my god.
What's the problem?
I've been trying to promote my YouTube channel for the past few weeks and nothing works. I'm fed up with everything.
Okay, hear me out. What if you had your very own cartoon? That's right, your face, your story, your brand looking all cute and animated.
How is that even possible?
Sounds impossible, right?
I mean, where do I even start?
Well, that's what I do. Fully AI generated cartoons, custom made for big or small businesses, YouTubers, or anyone with a story to tell. Let me introduce Kelly Toons, a Jamaican girl. At just 19, she realized that AI generated cartoons can actually turn your crazy thoughts into reality. Literally anything you think of can come to life. A walking jellyfish. A dog smoking weed. Yeah, it's as crazy as it sounds, but it's also amazing. And guess what? I can make a cartoon just as awesome for you. Just by using AI. Got a business? Boom, cartoon ad. Wanna tell your life story? Boom, cartoon series. Got a crazy idea you've been dreaming about? Boom, I'll animate it. You name it, I'll bring it to life. I'm talking vibrant characters, cool plots, and enough drama to keep people hooked. So, stop scrolling. Slide into my DMs, and let me turn your wild ideas into a cartoon masterpiece. Kelly Toons is proof that AI animation can do it all. Let's get to work. What's your story?